Welcome back to Love Cooking with Tochva. Today I am going to make little jam tarts using today pastry. So guys, what I'm going to do now with my pastry is I'm going to sprinkle a bit of flour on top like that. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it along in width and in length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take jam and just place it in the middle of each pastry square, like that. And I will do it all the way through, and I will be right back once I have jam in all of the pastry squares. So I moved the camera angle so that I can show you, or you can have a better view of how I'm going to cut the pastry. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it about 1 centimeter away from the edge all the way through on the one corner, like that. And then a distance from the one cut over there, over here, same thing, just like that. So then you lift the one corner up, bring it over and fold it like that, and the same over here, just bring it over like that. And then you'll take the pastry corner itself and just flip it over, and you'll do the same over here. So it looks like that, and you've got jam on the inside. Let me show you again. So there we go. There we go. There we go. And then fold it over. Just press it down. You can go either way. It's entirely up to you if you're right-handed or left-handed. And then fold it the other corner over. Then take the pastry corner, bring it over like that, and the same dealio with the other corner. There we go. So I'm going to do that all the way through. Let me show you one more. So there we go. If you have a pizza cutter, you can use the pizza cutter as well. I'm using a butter knife. So basically it's only the corners that you're folding over where you cut all the way down. Not in that corner, not in that corner. And then you fold it over and press it down. And the same thing over here. And then you take the pastry corner, bring it over. It is quite hot today, so the pastry is getting soft very quickly. And like that. So basically that is what you do all the way through, and I will be right back once I have all my pastry cut. So guys, this is all the pastry packed out now. And I have an egg that is beaten in a bowl. And I'm just going to egg wash the pastry. And while I'm egg washing the pastry, I have my oven preheating on 200 degrees. And I'm going to put this into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done.